Night is starting it, so I forget what we say. But anyways, today we got 11 box collection. We got 9 pops, 2 candy boxes. Today we're going to do our first one. It's a salon. That's it, right, babe?
Yep. See you when you come out.
Fine, yeah.
All right, that's the full box. So we lost this location right here.
They said they don't want it anymore.
They don't want it anymore. It did pretty good. There's a good amount of money in it.
Because they want chocolate.
Ooh.
Yeah, I bet. All right.
Second location, and this is a restaurant, one of our best boxes, so we kept it as candy.
All righty. Good luck, Maya. Let me see that thing. Let me see
Oh!
that thing. That thing looking nice. What about the money? Okay, okay. All right, third location, in and out. We got to get out of here. Let's go. Let me see that thing. I like what they did. They left the outsides and they picked from the insides. Wow, it's looking nice. Let's get out of here.
All right, guys, we're going to the fourth location.
Fourth location, what is it?
Smells
So
beautiful.
delicious. Restaurant, let's go. Let me see that thing when you get back out. Heck yeah. Let me see that thing. Oh man. Oh, empty box. How's the money looking? Oh, it's looking nice, Maya. It's looking nice. Ah,
Fifth location, pizza place.
let's get it. Oh man, stop playing with me.
She said it doesn't look like a lot of money.
It does look like a lot of money and it's empty.
Can I
Alright guys, what's going on? We're back home. It's late night. We're going to get this video out here for you guys. We were supposed to collect 12 boxes today. 2 of them we're moving to Tuesday. 5 we're doing tomorrow. So tomorrow we will have another 5-box collection for you. We got 5 here. We're going to pop open right now. No editing. We're just going to do them quick for you guys. Count them up. And yeah, show you guys everything. So let's go, babe. What we got? First one.
This one, there's $7.50 left, so how much should there be?
I don't know. Let's just pop it open and we'll let them know at the end. This here is a salon. This one's looking pretty good.
Pretty heavy.
Pretty heavy. Ooh. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh. Show one. Ooh. Yeah. Let's count it up.
21 minus 750 is,
Ooh.
you know?
Should be $13.50 in here.
Look at this, guys.
$5 bill. We got a 5. We got a 5.
$5 foot long.
Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 is 14 so far, so we're already doing good. 14, 15, 16, wow, 17, $18 so far. That's already crazy.
I think people buy these for 50 cents there.
19, I hope so. $19 so far. This is crazy. 20?
Yep.
Already got $20.
That's a whole box gone.
So even if they were sold 3 for $1, we got 0 theft in this box at all, which is amazing. We're at 20. She's counting up the last couple things of change. Actually, wow, there's more change. These boxes usually have a lot of change.
Now that's a full box.
That's $21 right there, and we still got a good amount of pops in there, which is awesome.
This is 80, 90, 100.
Another $1?
Yep. 22.
Another $1, guys. So $22 so far.
And
This is
30
awesome.
cents.
$22.30. 2 weeks.
That's great.
$11.15 a week. Awesome. Let's jump into the next box here. Oh yeah, what we got?
This one we actually did lose this location, so
Yeah.
it is no longer.
No longer on our route, guys. We lost this location we're doing here. This was our second one.
$6 left.
$6 left.
What? 15?
Yep, should be at least $15 in the box. Ooh, I see another 5. This is gonna be a good one. Another $5 bill, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11 in bills. This is awesome. 12, 13, $14 so far, guys. It's looking good. It's looking good.
$15.30.
$15.30 for this one. Another 2 weeks. Not bad. $15.30. We did lose it, so we'll have to replace it, but $15.30 in 2 weeks is very acceptable. Let's get into the third one here. Third one is, ooh, our diner. Ooh, this is the one that does 25 to 30 every week.
450's left. So.
Ooh, yeah. I'm excited. Should be about $25, $26 in there. I'm super excited for this one. This is our diner. This is our gold mine. Ooh, a lot of bills. That's for sure. A lot of rolled up bills. See, one fell out.
How much should be here?
About $25.
I don't know.
Ooh, I don't know. A lot of change.
Not $25 worth, I don't think.
Well, it's not going to be $25 worth of change.
No, I'm saying like all this together. I don't think it's $25. But
Got a couple rolled up ones. I guess we'll have to see in the end, guys. Regardless, acceptable. But regardless, acceptable. But anyways, this one has never been that accurate. We always get theft from here.
Not since the beginning. Recently,
We
it's
have-
been going down. It seems like.
Well, every weekend we collect this, or it's pretty much wiped out,
Yeah.
and it's never $30. So that's always theft.
Yeah.
There's always theft at this location, but it's acceptable. It's acceptable theft. And like I was telling BK Vending, my boy Matt, when you're making $25 or $20 a week, and you get a little bit of theft, that's really nothing. It's really not. Yes, it adds up, but why pull a location if you're profiting money? You know what I mean? Especially 20 to 25 a week. But we'll see what this one's looking like. I'm not too sure. I think we did get $25. There's more change than I thought. And there's a lot of bills here. So we shall see. I'll say it's about $25.50. $25.89. How about that? I'll throw in some extra change. Let's start counting the bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
64.
$24.64.
Couple cents short. We'll take it.
$24.64. Like I said, guys, $24.64. This one was the closest to accurate that it's been for a couple weeks, almost a month now. So I'm very, very, very excited, guys. Let's jump into box number 4. She's going to take a little sip of water. And like I said, sorry, guys. This is just going to be it's going to be a pretty long video because we're not going to edit it. We're just showing you everything behind the scenes, you know, no editing, you know. Ooh, empty box.
$21.
Empty box. At least the lowest is 21 because that's 3 for $1. So, and on the high end, 25. So we'll see. This is a restaurant. Not looking the greatest, but let's count this up.
But this one also has had theft too.
It has had theft, which again, acceptable theft, guys. But you know, make sure you count your numbers. And
Did you write down how much theft was there? Cause
I haven't wrote any of them. We'll do it at the end.
It's alright because there hasn't been any but that one, but it's only a couple of cents, so
Yeah.
I just want to write it down. That's all.
Ooh. It's not looking bad. It's not looking good. It's not looking bad.
Not like 21 though, but I said that about 25, and I was
Kind of wrong. It's okay. It's a lot of bills, man. We love counting this money, though. This money is fun counting.
Currently, my
honestly.
back is hurting, and I'm ready for bed.
Oh, yeah. We went to a fair today. It was pretty fun. Maya had fun. We all had fun.
The baby had fun.
MJ had fun. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Not bad.
19,
Hey, $19 so far. Not bad. Is it gonna be just some change?
19.
Wow, 19.19.
Can you put the 80 cents in there?
Yep. 19.19. Well, it should have been 21, so there's more.
Oh yeah.
$1.
And 80 cents.
Yep. $1.80.
Which is very minimal because the pops are 8 cents per piece, so that's only about 6 pops, not even 5 pops.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it's not much at all, guys. This is what we got so far. Pretty good collection. Honestly, a very great collection. I'm not gonna complain. That's the last one here.
This one, I'm kind of worried about. I'm not gonna lie.
You didn't give me a tag. You have
It's
it?
right here, yeah.
I'm worried about this one too. Is this? Oh, this is our. Oh,
This one is our weekly, but it's a hit or a miss. It's been pretty good, but then there's occasional times where it's like,
Yeah, this is kind of hit or miss.
And right now it feels like it's gonna be a miss.
But then again, the last one we thought wasn't gonna be that close, and it did good. So let's see. Ooh, it's looking nice. Yeah, that's looking nice.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's babe. That's looking nice. That's looking like 20.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, that's looking nice. There's some good
There's not
amount of
much
change, no?
No.
I don't know. I think it's looking nice, but let's count it up to end this one.
See, the good thing about having theft with pops is
The theft is not
it's
much.
only 8 cents per piece. So
Yeah, for the blow pops.
yeah.
The Jolly Pops
Well,
are
we
11.
average it to 10 cents because it's in between both of them. So we don't know which one it was that they stole. So we just say 10 cents, which is average.
Yeah, this one's looking nice. This one's looking nice, guys. I could already tell by counting the money. This one's looking nice. This was a good collection. Honestly, this was a very good collection. Do you have your phone at all?
I do not believe.
You don't? Alright, we'll have to just get the totals for them on the calculator and then end the video for these people. Thank you guys for watching, guys. For those of you who have sticked around, comment down below. You know, as always, Mercado Nation on the road to 1K. This one's looking nice. I think this is like 20 bucks
Yeah?
altogether. Yeah, let's count it though. We're gonna count it for you guys and then total up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
$20?
So $1
I knew it,
off.
guys. I was right on. I said 20 and it was 20.
I thought you meant this was looking like 20.
No, I knew it. $20. Wow.
So
So we got
$1.
20. We got $1 in theft.
Yeah.
$1 theft. No big deal.
We're going to get the total.
Let's total up and then finish this video off for you guys. Yo, guys, I cannot believe it, babe. Tell them the grand total.
I believe it was 101.43.
Yo, 101.43. Guys, 5 boxes. That was only 5 boxes, guys. 2 weeks.
So,
Yo, that is amazing.
and we only had about $2 in theft.
Guys, 101.43, 5 boxes.
$3 and not even in theft. So,
And stay tuned because tomorrow there's another 5 boxes. Hopefully we hit another $100 day, but that's crazy. 5 boxes, over $100. It doesn't get any better than that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one, this is the Mercado channel here. Peace.